Breaking into the fashion world isn't easy, but some designers think they know a man with the ability to do it. Mark Venezia works for a company that gives designers a platform to put their ideas onto t-shirts and other apparel. He says that since his death, sales of Mandela t-shirts have risen by 100%.
We're seeing these shirts being shipped all over the world, and I think it's because people want to honor him and pay tribute to him and have something to remember him by.
Spreadshirt now has over 110 Mandela shirts on their website. For one of the site's contributors, he felt compelled to share Mandela's vision.
His message of peace and equality, I hope that's something that people are going to want to advertise and promote, and what better way to promote it than by wearing something that somebody asks, oh hey, what's that shirt mean? What's that about?
While wanting to share Mandela's message with the world may be commendable, when using his slogans and image, there are legal implications to consider. Susan Scafidi is a professor of fashion law. She says that while t-shirt makers aren't completely free from copyright infringement, they tend to fall through the cracks.
When you have a truly iconic individual and an estate or a family or even the individual himself or an artist or photographer trying to assert control of the image, trying to gather royalties, there's not a whole lot they can do at the level of the t-shirt on the street.
While companies like Spreadshirt take down images that they think break copyright law, there'll always be those that break the rules. For Scafidi, though, it's not the law that'll stop Mandela shirts from selling. It's how people choose to celebrate his legacy. William Denslow, CCTV, New York.